Decorative glass ideas for your home and office. With its unique properties, glass adds a touch of elegance, sophistication, and visual appeal to any space. From its transparent and reflective qualities to its ability to be shaped, etched, and colored, glass offers endless creative possibilities. For decorative glass ideas. One of the key attributes of glass as a decorative material is its transparency. It allows light to pass through, creating a bright and airy ambience in a room. The ability to customize glass to fit different styles and themes allows for unique and personalized design choices. 1. Glass partitions and room dividers. Glass partitions and doors can divide spaces while maintaining a sense of openness and transparency. This can make rooms appear more spacious, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal. In office settings, glass partitions foster collaboration and communication among team members. 2. Glass backsplashes. With their sleek and contemporary appearance, glass backsplashes have gained popularity as a great choice for both home and commercial spaces. The smooth and reflective surface of the glass creates a sleek and clean look, elevating the overall aesthetic of the space. 3. Glass countertops. Clear glass countertops provide a sleek and minimalist look, allowing the underlying cabinets and decor to shine through. Frosted or textured glass countertops offer a softer appearance and can help to diffuse light, creating a warm ambience in the kitchen. 4. Glass shelves. Versatile and elegant, glass shelves suit living rooms, bathrooms, retail spaces, and stylishly organize items and belongings. Glass offers versatility in design, whether it's through the use of vibrant colors, patterns, or artistic etchings. By embracing these ideas and incorporating them into your interior design, you can transform your home or office into a visually stunning and inspiring environment. Consult with our Mesa Glass Company to help you choose the best options for your home or office. Our company has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed. Ready to get started? Give us a call.